I'm hungry. All right, we're back. So today we're going to do a somewhat healthy dessert. Last dessert we made was just basically the ice cream, and this one is a little bit healthier. So what we're going to be using are dates. So these types of dates, they're pitted dates, they're seedless. The easiest ones to use for this type of dessert. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab them and we're going to put them in a pan. Do it this way basically. You just have to use your muscles, squeeze them all together. All right, so now what I did is I'm using dark chocolate chips. So the reason I like dark chocolate chip is dark chocolate is because it has a lot of fiber in it. And it tastes better than milk chocolate in my view. So what I did is I put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes just to melt it down. If you can get dark chocolate melted already, then that's great. But I didn't have any, so I basically did it this way. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna spread this out. All right, so what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take some almonds, spread it all over here. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of honey. Okay, and we're just going to let this sit for a bit until everything dries up, and then we're going to come back and all right, we're back, and here's the final product. So what I did is I did end up putting it in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then I let it sit out for about 15, just to make it easier. And here's your final product. It's really delicious and good, and it does have a lot of calories, but compared to other desserts, it's pretty low. Okay, and it's got a lot of good stuff. All right, so bon appetit.